Hello. Today we're going to tea on the tailgate at the Triumph Motorcycle Factory. So, as far as I'm aware, this is like a cars and coffee meet that people tend to go to in Land Rovers mainly, and it's been in lots of different places. But today it's just down the road from us, literally just down the road at the Motorcycle Factory. So we're going with a couple of friends. We've got Lloyd in his lovely series Land Rover, Adam in his 50th anniversary V8 Defender, Nicola, Lloyd's wife, in their supercharged Range Rover, and we're going in my supercharged Range Rover. The fuel economy going down here at this road at the moment is awful.
That's a nice one, that.
Yeah.
That was alive then. Yeah.
Hey, right, I'm Lloyd. This is my Overfinch Defender. Had her about 6-7 years now. Put her on galvanised chassis. She's TD5, but it's been played with, so she's over 200 horsepower. Got LPG injection, which is something that's not really seen very often. Got Roma Drive overdrive on her as well, just for a bit better cruising and stuff.
What sort of MPG did you get with the?
So we're looking probably about 28 to the gallon on general stuff. I've had it up to 34 when it was fully loaded with a roof tent and awning on it, but that was because we're sort of cruising about 60-65. It's actually surprisingly good considering the size of the tyres. Yeah, she's triple locked, got air lockers front and rear, built-in air. It's got all stuff like diesel heater, split charge, stuff like that. So yeah, she's had everything done really. Crank radius arms, old man emu suspension, worn winches, all full underbody protection, full roll cage, and it is proper down to the chassis, not just a bolt-on one for show. Yeah. So yeah, she's pretty special in her own little way.
What tyres you got?
BF Goodrich KM3s on this one. Yeah, about 33 inch I think they are, on the Mach 5 wheels.
Why are you selling it then?
Oh wow, we're expecting a child this year, so we've had to go and buy something a little bit more sensible. So
Congratulations.
thank you very much.
Tent box on the top.
It's Series 2, 1961, fully restored about 3 years ago. We did it all on the drive. So yeah, I bought it when I was 13, and yeah, she's been in the family prior to that as well. She's had some resto mods done, but still tried to keep it authentic. Yeah, it's a standard 2 1/4, but we've fitted an SU carb conversion, and then we've got electronic ignition on it as well, just to improve it reliability and a little bit of performance, but without going too crazy.
Don't get me wrong, I like the show pony ones, which is like that red one over there. But then I also like that one. That's nice.
Yeah.
But then I also like these. They've just got loads of life in them. You can tell they've just been absolutely blasted off road.
They're just used as Land Rovers, aren't they?
Literally, used as they were supposed to be.
I like this.
Cool seats. That's nice.
Yeah, it's lovely. Puma. Bonnet lump.
So I quite like the little
I
the
want
big
to film.
bonnet
No,
lump.
there's a lightweight. There's a lightweight. I love these things.
That's a beautiful green, don't you think?
Yeah, it's lovely. This is a bit cool. Forward controlled. Really rare now. This is what I like, the variation of.
Literally, you've got so many different types of stuff.
Hi, name's Adam Hennessy. I'm 37 years old. I own this 50th anniversary Defender, which has currently got a 4.6 litre V8 engine in it, which has been built by RPI. The original 4 litre, sorry, big bearings went bottom, let go, so this is now 4.6. I've owned it since I was 21. I've owned it 16 years now, so yeah, it's doing well. Like I say, love it to bits. One car I'll never get rid of. As you can tell, Lantis blue paintwork, which obviously flicks in the sun between blue and green. Automatic gearbox is standard, which obviously a lot of people dream of, nice and smooth. But lives most of the life, obviously, mainly lives most of its life in the garage, I'm afraid, because obviously winter and obviously usage. But one of them cars that I don't think you'd ever really want to get rid of. Everyone's dream motor. We'll open the bonnet, shall we? Engine start. There it is in all its glory.
Fantastic.
Running sweet. 90,000 mile on it.
Magna-Core ignition as well.
Yeah, it's got Tornado chip in it from Mark Adams. Magna-Core ignition. Like I say, if you had the money, I would try, if you could, respray it, because obviously in places now it starts to do its good old Land Rover electrolysis paintwork in places, but it's old.
But it's used and enjoyed.
Yeah, that's it. It's still, yeah, it's used on the farm. It does tow the cows about. It obviously has the horse box on the back. Cow truck needs to be. But yeah.
Did you fit the aircon?
Aircon standard.
Wow.
Doesn't work, mind you, because that's another job it needs doing. But at the end of the day, you're just going to use the old original flaps. Why do you need aircon?
I like the gauges you put in.
Yeah. Parts, additional, obviously aluminium parts, all on here, all by Coritech. That's only probably your Land Rover shows. You spend more time going around there and adding extras, but
absolutely. They're never finished, are they?
No, they never will be.
See, I didn't realise that Bespoke was a tuning brand, so I thought somebody just put Bespoke on their Land Rover.
G4 editions.
Very nice. You've got all these, but then you've got a R8.
Do you know, I hadn't even spotted the R8. I think that says more about me than anything. Rather look at rusty old Land Rovers.
Yeah. So what's different about a G4 to like just a normal?
They were just made for the challenge, weren't they? They've got like the special vehicles edition stuff, so the winch and the roof rack and the snorkel, stuff like that. They were just made for the challenge. I don't know too much about them, to be honest.
Tidy. I love it when they're different colours. Like, I love the British racing green type. I fucking love that, and the orange and all that. But I love when it's like a completely different colour, like purple.
Completely personalised.
But if you were to have another one, it would be nice if it was green.
Well, you don't like the county?
No, I like the county. Don't get me wrong. But imagine the county but green.
No. No, it's a county V8. It's got to be white. Wash your mouth out, mate.
What, is that blasphemy?
Well, it's a county, innit? It's a county V8. They're known to be white. And it's factory white.
Will you get like decals on it and stuff to show that it's a V8? Like,
Yeah. I want it to look resto mod. That's me.
Yeah.
I hate that saying, but I like the idea of it. Tune the engine a bit. Non-standard engine. Wider wheels, but like banded steels, so that they're the original wheels that have just been widened slightly. There we are then, on our way home now. Fantastic morning. It's lovely to see everyone as well.
definitely.
Massive thanks to Adam and Lloyd for showing me a bit of their cars and inviting me along with them. I really like that 50th anniversary. That is a beautiful
It's so
car.
nice. Like, it makes you just want to do up your county now, doesn't it?
I know. I might have to go and spend some time on that soon.
Yeah. And you need to do a video on it soon too.
I do. We need to get everything out and have a look at it. Lloyd's trying to sell his Defender at the moment, if anybody's interested. It's a fantastic spec Defender. You won't find another one for that price at all. It's a fantastic car. It's been really well built and looked after. I think he's got receipts for over 30 grand's worth of work on it. So yeah, and Lloyd knows his stuff as well, so the mods that car doesn't have aren't worth having, basically. So if anyone's interested, I can pass details on or whatever. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.